So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically factory reset your iPhone 17. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that within your iPhone 17, you have all your data backed up. So make sure you haven't gone through and if you're about to delete everything off your iPhone, make sure you back up everything. Because the last thing you want to do is just delete a bunch of stuff. So back up all your data, back up all your information. Most of your data is probably going to be backed up, but just back up everything just in case. Now, what you want to do here is hop inside of your iPhone settings application. So hop inside of settings. And then what you're going to want to do is swipe down until you find this general option, which is right here. So tap into general. And then what you want to do is you basically want to scroll down until you find this little option right here that says transfer or reset iPhone. Click on here and you'll see a couple things. Now, if you want to make an iCloud backup of your iPhone completely for free with all your information, you can click on this top portion right here, which says prepare for new iPhone. It will actually allow you to back up all your data completely for free on iCloud servers for a limited amount of time. I think it's a month or something. But you have that type of capability, you might as well take advantage of it. Now, if you don't want to do it or you don't care, you can click on the erase all content and settings option at the very bottom right here. And it's going to allow you to start erasing all your data from your iPhone. So what you can do is it tells you erasing will sign you out of your Apple account and all this other stuff. So you can go through, click on here, and you can just remove everything. You can choose what you want to delete. And then if you're ready, you can click on continue, and you can start the process of factory resetting your iPhone. Now, if you want to click not now, that will basically just cancel it, and you're basically good to use your phone as you normally would. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.